Hey guys, and welcome back to another Autobeam light install. Today I'm installing these LED reverse units. Right, so to get your hands on the exact LED reverse units that I'm installing today, head over to Autobeam's website. If you click on to shop, go down to reverse, you'll be able to see these two products. The ones I'm installing are these 955 reverse units. They are very, very good. They're part of the premium range, and they can produce light up to 5 times brighter than the original parts, and I'm sure from this video you guys will see that that is completely true. Anyway, getting into the install. So this install is pretty easy. There are a few things you will need though. You will need a Torx head screwdriver or Torx head screwdriver bit, and you will also need a Phillips screwdriver. The Torx screwdriver bit is for the 2 screws on the back of the lights. They're pretty easy to take out. What you just need to do is unscrew those 2 screws. You will need the Phillips head screwdriver to undo a screw behind the lights in the boot to remove or peel back a little bit of carpet. And then behind that is a finger screw, so you just need to reach up behind onto the lights and unscrew a plastic screw holding the lights on. Once you've done that, you can take the lights out. They are clipped in, and you will need to remove the wiring loom, but that's not too difficult, and then the lights will come free. So the bulb we're taking out today and replacing is the reverse unit, as I've said. When you turn the lights round, it is the one on the right. To take the holder out, all you need to do is twist it, and it comes free. The bulb comes out super easy. All you need to do is just pull on the original bulb and it pops out. And then to get the new one in, all you have to do is push the new one in. No need to twist the bulb or anything. The current one just pulls out and the new one just pushes in. Then all you have to do is place the holder back into position and then twist it into place. From here, if you want, you can wire the lights back up, make sure the bulbs are working, make sure everything is in order before you fully fit them back on. Obviously doing the other side as well. Right, so here's just a quick comparison between the 2 sets of bulbs. On the left we have the upgraded LED 955 reverse units. On the right we have the standard halogen reverse units, standard from Ford. Now, as you can see, the new bulbs are super bright. They're a lot whiter, a lot cleaner. They are a lot brighter in general, and they really do help when you don't have any other light sources and it's just dark. Now, I will say that I do have a tint on my rear lights, but I think you can quite clearly see from this video that that's not making too much of a difference at all. You can still see that the ones on the left, the new upgrade lights, are a lot better. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, leave the video a like. If you haven't already, check out Autobeam, subscribe to my channel. There's more install videos coming soon, and yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.